How to generate AI image and video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search veer.com. You'll find this kind of screen. First, let's see by generating AI text to image. To do that, click on AI text to image. Now click on generate image from text at the bottom. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, at the bottom, simply enter your prompt, how you want your picture to be. I have simply wrote a kid eating ice cream. Now scroll down and click on generate. You can also select aspect ratio as you want. After that, scroll upwards, and as you can see, my AI image has been converted. You can click on the arrow at the top to download the image. After it's downloaded, click on three lines at the top right. Click on image to video as our image is created. After that, what you can do is click on generate video from image. Then upload your image in here, click on it, which will open your gallery. After you have uploaded it, you'll find it processing. Scroll down, you can add video prompts as you want. Then you can select video format, video length, video frame rate, and video dimension. Then press on generate at the bottom. After that, you can simply scroll upwards again. It will take some time. As you have written in your video prompt, it will show video in that way. And this is how to create AI image and video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.